Hi friends, Officer Washington here. Welcome to a special Halloween edition of Storytime. Today, we're going to read a book called Don't Push the Button, a Halloween treat. You guys ready? So am I. Let's go. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. You guys like to get candy when you trick-or-treat? Or would you rather toys or fruit or vegetables? Candy, right? That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live in there. Look at that scary house. There's a scary house behind me. I don't want to go in there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get gobbled up? Uh-oh. Don't go in that house. Please, 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 don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all of my candy if we go home right now. What do you think? Should we go home or should we keep going to the spooky house to see what's inside? Let's keep going. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say, trick or treat. Okay, guys, let's do it. On the count of 3, push the button and say trick or treat. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Trick or treat. Let's see. Oh, he looks scared, right? I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door slowly. Ready? Let's slowly open the door. Eek! Monsters! Look at the monsters. Ooh. Shout boo to scare them away. Shout boo. 1, 2, 3. Again, louder. Boo! Let's see if they went away. Okay, that's better. Looks like there's a note. It says for Larry on it. Can you cut the string and help me get it down? Okay, so use your fingers like they're going to be scissors, okay? And on the count of 3, we're going to cut the string. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Okay, let's see what happens next. The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Okay, you ready, guys? On the count of 3, we're going to clap 2 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see what happens. Surprise, Larry! We have an extra special treat for you and your trick-or-treaters. Look at that. His friends are inside. There's no monsters inside. Larry says, oh boy, are you ready? Are you guys ready for the special treat? Okay, on the count of 3, we're going to push this button, okay? 1, 2, 3. Push it! Let's see what it is. Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick or treat at this house. That is so cool. Look at that sweet surprise. The end. That was really cool, right? So in the end, it wasn't a scary surprise. It was a yummy, sweet surprise, right guys? That was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.